All right, guys. The very first question says angle A is 54 degrees, angle B is 34 degrees, length of side AB is 12 units, right? And in triangle PQR, angle P is 54 degrees, angle Q is 34 degrees, and angle PQ is 12 units. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, you can observe that the angles A and P are same. Okay. And the angles B and Q also are same. Right? बचा हुआ side क्या बचा हुआ vertex क्या हुआ C और R. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay. And this happens by the angle side angle test or the ASA test, right? So these two triangles are congruent by the ASA test. Okay, guys. Now understand, guys, यहाँ पे correspondence बहुत important है. Okay, 54 corresponds to 54 means A will correspond to P. Okay, 34 degrees is equal to 34 degrees means B corresponds to Q, and the remaining vertex is C, so C corresponds to R. So ABC is similar to PQR. Okay, ये जरूरी क्यों होता है, guys? Because many a times in questions हमें triangles को similar prove करके उनके side का ratio लिखना होता है. Okay, and we'll see that of course in the upcoming part of the class. तो उसके लिए we need to write the correspondence very correctly. Okay, so let's go on to the next question, guys. The next question says angle B is 31 degrees, then side AB is 8, AC is 7 units, angle Q is 31 degrees. Okay, PQ is 16 and PR is 14. I wanted to again pause the video and try this out if you want. Okay, guys, now first of all देखो, इसके दो sides are 8 and 7, इसके दो sides are 16 and 14, right? Third side basically इसका 14 16 दोनों में से कोई एक ही होगा, दोनों नहीं हो सकते, right? Same way इसका भी third side 8 और 7 में से कोई एक ही होगा, दोनों नहीं हो सकते, right? That means the sides are definitely not equal. In this case all sides are definitely not equal, so they are definitely not congruent. Okay, congruence prove करने के लिए at least एक side और दो angle तो चाहिए, right? So the sides are not equal. That means triangles are definitely not congruent. Okay. Now, actually, मुझसे गलती से delete हो गया ये. I'll just draw it again. Yeah. So yeah. So the only option now we have is, guys, the triangles could be similar. अब similarity के लिए, guys, we have the side test, जिसमें हमें तीन sides का ratio पता होना चाहिए. पता है क्या? नहीं पता है. We only know that ये 7 है और ये 14 है. बाकी दोनों, okay, 8 and 16 ये भी है. But third side का हमको ratio नहीं पता. Right? So it is definitely not side test. Okay. Can we apply the side angle side test for similarity? We could, अगर हमें ये वाला angle equal दिया हुआ होता. Okay, angle A is equal to angle P ये दिया हुआ होता. Why? Because that is the included angle between the two sides, right? ये भी नहीं दिया हुआ है, so they are definitely not similar by the SAS test. And for the AA test, we require two angles. दो angle भी नहीं, यहाँ पे एक ही angle दिया हुआ है 31 degrees, right? So definitely they are not similar at all. Okay, hence the two triangles here are neither similar nor congruent. They are none. Okay, guys, सिर्फ values पता होने से, सिर्फ sides double होने से, it is not necessary कि मतलब ये similar होंगे ही होंगे. You can observe that यहाँ पे ratio same है sides का 8 16 7 14, but दोनों दो sides का ratio same होने से angle भी same बीच का होना चाहिए था. It is not given, right? So you cannot say for sure that the triangles will be similar. Okay. Okay, guys, let's go on to the third question. If you want, you can just try it out also. All right. So angle A is 83 degrees, angle C is 57 degrees, length of BC is 13.9. Fair enough. Same way, angle Q is 83 degrees, angle R is 57 degrees, and length of PR is 13.9. Okay. Now, guys, the two triangles are definitely similar because ये 83 है, ये भी 83 है. ये देखो, ये 57 है, ये 57 है. Okay, two angles are given as equal. That means A test तो हो गया, triangles are similar. Also the unincluded means other side, okay, except the common wala side. Okay, the unincluded side is given as 13.9 and 13.9 in both of them. That means the triangles are also congruent by the side angle or the SAA test. All right, now in this case, guys, correspondence कैसे लिखेंगे हम लोग? देखो, ध्यान से देखना. Angle A, that is 83 degrees, corresponds to angle Q. Okay, 83 degrees. Angle C corresponds to angle R, 57 degrees, and the remaining angle is B and Q. So triangle ACB is similar to triangle QRP. Okay, the proof, write the correspondence. CB should be equal to RP. यही हो रहा है ना guys यहाँ पे, CB equal to RP. So yeah, we observe that CB is equal to RP. Okay, that means the correspondence we have written is correct. Okay, let's go on to the next question, guys. The fourth one. Okay, angle A is 120 degrees, angle B is 15 degrees, angle Q is 120 degrees, angle R is 15 degrees. Okay, दो angles same है, directly you can say they are similar by the AA test. Let's go on to the next question, guys. All right, the fifth one says angle B is 85 degrees, length of AB is 11, length of BC is 7. Same way, angle R is 85 degrees, PR is 11, QR is 7. Okay, very clearly you can see that the two sides AB and PR are equal. Okay, BC and QR are also equal, and the angle in between them is 85, same, right? So the triangles will be congruent by the side angle side test, right? Again यहाँ पे guys correspondence कैसे लिखेंगे हम लोग, right? Angle B is given as 85 degrees, angle Q is also, angle R is given as 85 degrees, right? Okay, length of AB is given as 11, length of BC is 7, length of PR is 11, and QR is 7. So guys, we start with R, the common angle here, and B, the common angle here. So B will be same as R. Okay, अब B से लेके 7 वाला साइड कौन सा है guys? BC है, right? तो यहाँ पे BC लिखते हैं. R से लेके 7 वाला साइड कौन सा है guys? RQ है, right? So RQ लिख दिया, और others vertex is A. यहाँ पे the other vertex is Q. So triangle BCA is congruent to triangle RQP. That is the proper correspondence. Okay, ये क्यों लिखते हैं हम लोग? Such that BC will be equal to RQ. ये हो रहा है ना यहाँ पे, BC is equal to RQ, right? Right, BC is equal to RQ. Can you see this, guys? And then AB will be equal to PR. You can see AB is 11 and PR is 11. Same, right? Okay, guys, let's go on to the sixth question. Length of AB is 10 units, AC is 14 units, and BC is 16. PQ is 15, PR is 21, QR is 24. Okay, now guys, what do we observe? 10 or 15, the ratio is 2 by 3. 10 और 15 में 5 cancel हो जाएगा. वैसे 14 and 21, guys, the ratio is also 2 by 3. 7 2, the 7 3s are. 16 and 24, also the ratio is 16 upon 24. 8 8 cancel, 2 by 3. The ratio of all three sides is same. Okay, that means the triangles are going to be similar by the SSS test. Okay, guys, the next important point is to find out the proper correspondence. Okay, guys, now how do we do that? Okay, take the common point. Let's say यहाँ पे A. Now A is between 10 and 14, right? ओके, तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? 15 और 21 के बीच का साइड देखेंगे, दैट इज पी. ओके, ए के बाद हम लोग कहां जा रहे हैं? 14 वाले में जा रहे हैं, राइट? 14 वाला साइड इज एसी. ओके, करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड क्या है? पी आर, राइट? एंड बचा हुआ वर्टेक्स क्या है? बी. यहाँ बचा हुआ वर्टेक्स क्या है? क्यू. सो ट्रायंगल एसीबी इज सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल पी आर क्यू. ओके, एज सिंपल एज दैट, गाइस. Let's go on to the next one. Seventh one. Angle A is 22 degrees. Angle C is 44 degrees. AC is given as 12 units. In this way, angle P is 22, angle Q is 44, and PQ is given as 24 units, right? Okay. Now, angles are same, 22, 22, and 44, 44. Okay, the two angles are same. That means the triangles are similar by the AA test, right? अब congruence के लिए हम लोग को actually एक side पता होना चाहिए. एक side हमें दिया है included side, it is 12. बट ये साइड क्या है? 24 है, राइट? इंक्लूडेड साइड, दैट मींस 2 का फैक्टर है ना, सो दैट डेफिनेटली नॉट कॉन्ग्रुएंट, राइट? सो द ट्रू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर एंड सिमिलर बाय द एए टेस्ट. यहां पे करेस्पोंडेंस कैसे लिखेंगे गाइस? 22 डिग्रीज वाले स्टार्ट करते हैं. ओके, ए इज इक्वल टू पी, राइट? ए के बाद क्या? 44 वाला लिखते हैं सी. 44 वाला यहाँ पे कौन सा है? पी के साथ क्यू है, एंड यहाँ बचा हुआ वर्टेक्स क्या है? बी. बचा हुआ वर्टेक्स क्या है? आर, राइट? सो ट्रायंगल एसीबी सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल पीक्यूआर, राइट? रेशियो ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड जब लेंगे गाइस, तो AC अपॉन PQ आएगा. सही है ना? AC is 12 and PQ is 24, double, right? And then we go on to the last question, guys. Angle B is 90 degrees. AB is given as 6, AC is given as 10 units. Okay, यहाँ पे angle Q is given as 90 degrees, PQ is given as 8, and PR is given as 10. Okay. Now guys, बहुत लोग यहाँ गलती कर लेते हैं फटाक से, without thinking they just want to mark the answer, and that's why they make it wrong. Okay guys, since it's a 90 degrees, it's a right angle triangle, you know, we need to know triplets. 6 10 है तो ये definitely 8 होगा. 8 10 है तो definitely ये 6 होगा. 6 8 10, 6 8 10, both the triangles are similar. Okay, now you can observe that the triangles are right angles. Okay, hypotenuse is same, and you can pick any one side. They are basically congruent by the hypotenuse side test or Pythagoras theorem. Okay, same thing. Okay, guys, so that's where we'll stop right now. In the next lecture, we'll be solving some specific questions by applying similarity and congruence. So just revise everything we've seen in this class because that will require in the next class also. Okay, see you around. Bye bye.